What's up, homies? Why don't you introduce yourself, bro? I just saw this guy driving right on the street, man.
I was driving by and I saw Captain Plan, my boy Garrett here. I had to say what's up. You know, there's not too many gentlemen like this that are out there spreading the good word, saying good things about the environment, trying to help share all the knowledge and all the information that he has to help these people and help all the people of our community understand how important our ecosystem is. I mean, it's really, really awesome to know guys like you are out there spreading the good word, doing the right thing, and it really, like, it warms my heart as a fisherman knowing that there's some good people out there that are helping our cause as well. We all have the same message, so thank you, brother. Man, I appreciate it, bro. I really do appreciate it, man. Definitely.
It's people like you that keep me going hard, man. That's why we drive by and say, well, hey, you know, I do some cool eco tour stuff, but I don't have a boat. I just hook up with my boy here and we'll start doing some.
So we're gonna get this happening. We're gonna do like a monthly class where we get all the kids out there, we get you guys out on the boat. Just make sure that we share the word and share our world and how awesome it is, you know, from the land side, from the water side, you know, from eco preserve. You know, let's save this planet, brother.
Bring that love back to the ocean, back to our swamps, bring it back to that native Florida.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it. Man.